Welcome to Creative Arena. Let's check out what you get in the kit when you come to one of the Creative Arena events. These kits cost $30. When you come to the event, you open it up, you find your place, and you get to build. So each kit comes with a shell. This is where you will do all your building. You get your requirements to meet the criteria: 4 clips, 3 bouncy balls, 4 balloons, the plastic bowl. Comes with foam bowls, foam plates, lots of different foam shapes to work with. Got some plastic forks. Let's see, plastic knives. We got lots of skewers. You got to be able to pop the balloons and defeat your opponents. In the event kits, you get a Sharpie, as well as a pen that does pencil, black ink, red ink, and blue ink. You get your plan page to work with, and then you get your cardboard. And the cardboard can be used for a lot of multiple things, such as extending the shell or other types of accessories that you want to add on. You've got Velcro dots and sticky dots that helps you get things placed on the shell till you have an idea. And then we'll reinforce with hot glue. And then of course, you get your RC car that's equipped with the Velcro. Once you know how you want to place your shell, you can remove the plastic and add your shell to your RC car. And then you've got the remote control. Forward, back, side, side, and then you can pull both ways to do 360s, as well as switch modes from up to flat. And you also get lots of toothpicks. And of course, when you come to the events, you have your base package that you start with, and then you have multiple access to different accessories and more shapes, forks, knives, and other materials that you may need as you build out of the toolboxes that are provided at each event. If you enjoy the event or decide prior to that you want to purchase your own RC kit, that costs $134.99, and the kit comes with all the same materials, but you'll get a brand new RC car that's never been used before with a remote. You will also get the hand motion remote that will include your event pass, so that you can also be part of the event you come to, and you'll get a 50% off coupon for your next event. So again, your brand new RC car kit with the CreativeBot materials is $134.99, and then your event pass to join us with this kit is $30. Look forward to seeing you at our next event with Creative Arena.